Good evening, everyone.
Hello.
So we are getting here again to have our group discussion. So let's introduce again. My name is Lim CJ. You can call me CJ from Biochem course.
My name is Yap Hao Xuan. You can call me Cyrus from Biochem 2.
Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine and I am from the KC and I study major in statistics.
My name is Wei Qi. I'm from KTP and I'm studying wood technology.
Hi everyone, my name is Jacqueline. I'm from K-12 studying biochemistry.
Hi, I'm Lin Zhengxuan. I'm from biochemistry. Hello, my name is Cheng Chin Yi and I'm studying biochemistry also.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Fadil. I'm from Ketan and I'm studying civil engineering.
My name is Ivan.
Hi.
I'm from K10, studying chemical engineering.
Hi, my name is Sydney. You can call me Sydney. I'm from biochemistry.
Anyone knows what's going on? Okay.
Anyway.
Discussion today will be around the theme for our DIY project, decoration. So, anyone has some ideas on the theme?
Should we go for recycle items like last time, or
I think it's okay, depending what you want to do with that.
Because last time we had many ideas for recycled items. So
and since we're students, it would be more economical for us, right?
Maybe we can do recycle item but with a theme. For example, the decoration will be like Halloween theme or what.
But last time we just used the recycled item to make a tote bag, right? So maybe we can, with tips to use some new item to make a DIY project.
so we're still using recycled
Creativity.
items.
Do you guys want to make
things that is like more to the practical way, or do you want to do things that is practical in our life, or something is for decoration, or something that is useful, more practical way?
Last time I think the tote bag we did was very practical. I've been using it every night for drama practice. Yeah, and so if you want to go for something for decoration, I think that would be okay.
Because since Deepavali is coming up and
Halloween's coming up.
and Christmas, Chinese New Year, or even Hari Raya for next
Yeah,
year.
it's like a whole year festival. Everything is coming up.
We can reuse
This is
it
Malaysia.
over the years.
Yeah.
Convocation is coming up.
Convocation. So should we make a bear?
Towel.
Bear.
Oh,
Chicken towel.
And then,
Never mind. 4 years later, we will do it one for you. Okay.
well,
So we are widening our scope of the themes to recycle and also decorations. How about technology?
I think if we can do something out of, that is like related to technology, that would be great. But then we don't have the fun and it's very hard.
We don't have the brain.
Yeah. We don't study physics.
It's not the brain, it's the knowledge.
Same thing, I feel it's very hard to do technology because
Yeah.
you have the components or you must collect. So where you are gonna collect the components or
You're engineer, you
Can
don't.
you don't
get from some electrical engineering
Get in
friends.
some sort of lab also. Do you guys have lab?
For chemical engineering, we haven't start that inside the engineering, but we already start faculty science.
Oh, I see.
Okay,
But
come back.
the basis of doing something about technology is that we have the knowledge, not brain, to actually do it. So, since we don't,
Basically, we don't have the knowledge, so just cut off this thing.
what do you think, Fadil?
You have some idea on technology?
I think we can do something about entertainment.
for
Like-
example.
Library poster.
Vending machine. My vending machine is a good idea. You all don't follow me. You know, the vending machine just use a shoe box or a box and then the gum and the glue and then scissor. You can do anything. A toy,
Calm down,
a
calm
cat-
down. Calm down.
Oh,
Speak
the
slowly.
toy, donation, charity, everything can do, right? So it's a good idea.
Donation, charity.
Yeah, and we can
So many
donate the
functions we want.
vending machine for
Multi-functional.
yeah, for the kids,
the kids.
What do you want to put inside the
Yeah.
sweets,
Ah.
Sweet.
candy?
If I were to put 20 cents and I get one sweet, I feel like I'm not entertained.
You can packet the sweet. So you have to like constantly refill the box.
Yes.
And then it's a box, you know, anyone can steal.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then it's food.
Yeah.
Like
There's-
ants can get
That's
in.
why it's ants.
No, I don't think ants
No.
can get into
Because
the
it's a
sweets
box.
packet.
But then,
No, the food is
We're talking about ants.
The
But
food
then
is in the
you
packet.
you
It's
should have the
sealed.
system,
The
right?
packet is
When you
sealed.
put in the money,
It's not
then
nice
it
about
can
oil.
turn on, turn
Yeah,
off.
yeah.
Then how you want to do the system?
Actually, I don't know. Just an idea, okay?
Okay.
So you have no knowledge of it. Oh.
But then you are
Need to
being
know
so
the
excited.
inside how to function it, right?
Yeah.
The machine. Okay.
Just now she showed me one video. You use boxes also, I think, and then you cut like a 50, like I think this is a 50 cent. You cut this,
About this size.
yeah, about this size, and then when the coin like go through it, it pushes something, so that when like
Like level system.
if it's supposed to be a 50 cent and they put in 10 cent, it doesn't push the level or something. It's like
Is it a magic?
how you know the
Like size
size?
exclusion.
Ah, yeah,
Squeeze. Yeah.
Maybe
But
some other
excluding
ideas.
is size.
I
Ideas
still
that
think
you
it's a
can.
bit complicated.
I think it is a little bit complicated.
Yeah.
Finally.
It's a complicated. Any idea? Engineering.
Mm.
So what
So
do
do you have
all
any idea?
engineers have to say?
In my opinion, I just stick to the what? To the
Recycle.
recycle item because many idea will come up with this recycle idea, but then it is just too cliche, you know.
Or we can use the waste material, like the fruit peel, and then make what do you call that?
Fertilizer.
An environmental
Friendly.
friendly.
Isn't it
Oh,
dishwasher
this-
or something?
I think it's a
Ah,
floor
yes.
cleaner.
Yeah, floor
floor
cleaner.
cleaner.
It's a floor cleaner. So it's not wash tissue.
Dishwasher.
Yeah, it's a. But in the process of making that,
It
takes
takes
time.
time.
It's not
No,
a
no,
good
what
time now,
is
right?
short, but for the process of
Fermentation.
fermentation, it takes time.
You need months for it to ferment.
Not
months.
3 months.
3 months.
3 months.
Yeah, months not
Then
3
we
months.
let out time.
Months.
Not month.
But then
Months.
there's
Mm.
Yes.
what?
Are we discussing about it? Choosing the theme or
Choosing
Yeah.
the
Choosing
food.
the
Choosing the
theme.
theme.
Yeah.
So what things do we have right now?
Recycle and also decoration.
Waste
I think
Yeah.
that-
Okay.
I think the
Festival
decoration we can
also.
plus with the recycle item.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which means
Okay.
decorate. I mean the recycle item, DIY item with a theme.
Yes.
That's what you mean, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Maybe we can use the recycle item to make a gift or a Christmas present for our friend as the birthday present.
Any example?
Okay.
Something like
Wow, recycle item to make
Yeah.
if someone
It has to
Next week,
be
next week.
a very good product.
Maybe they get inspired from us. For this how to do.
what I saw is there's a stone, and we use a wire, iron wire to tie it, and we can hang a photo, just like this.
Oh.
Like a photo, then to hang it to just
iron wire.
I think you mean like something to
something to
Yeah.
hang
It
it.
rusts also.
or
Like
just to
a,
clip the
to
clip the
clip-
photo, right?
yeah.
So
Just to clip
you
the
make
photo.
a sort of spiral thingy, and then
Yeah.
you can
it's
insert
just
the photo.
yeah.
Well, you
I
rust.
guess
Like this, just like this.
Will you rust?
If you use the kind of like rubber coated wire,
But it's not very decorative.
Wire is decorative. Wire,
I mean wire,
itself
but
is
with the rubber
decorative. If it's
cover
the rubber,
side.
it looks like you have a pipe outside the wall.
Yeah.
Cindy, we make it for you lah because your birthday is soon, right? Yeah, so we make it for you.
Taking a photo. Keep as a
Yeah.
Okay, I see photo each and everyone. Okay. Any idea?
Cyrus, what do you think?
Hand sketch storybook.
Whoa.
But then
Yeah,
that
story.
would be a
There's a
one-person
DIY.
job.
Yeah. No, we can find a story and we can draw or we can color it.
Somebody
okay,
gonna
color
script it, somebody gonna draw it,
yeah,
somebody
so you can color
gonna
it,
draw it, somebody
decorate.
going to bind
What
the
came
book.
before?
So it's a storybook.
Yeah, he meant
Oh, you mean the 3D book?
Yeah.
no,
3D,
no.
no, 3D is too complicated. It's just a storybook.
You scared me.
We can do like this. Maybe you can give a gift, or you can save a diary.
Can we
I
turn
think we
it?
can put it under the category. The
Do you
category
think
of
the
gifts.
library will
Gifts.
accept it? Oh, then the order of the publisher, the order will be like the date of his.
Yeah.
Or maybe you can get, compile papers and hardcover on the back, on the top and at the back, and you decorate the cover.
Yeah.
Make it a notebook or something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, notebook.
Oh yeah, you can get like the dry leaf.
Draw.
It used to be like
Mm.
the every what do you call it, like everyone has been using it like since primary school DIY or whatsoever. Like the basic of decorating items.
Bookmarks.
Bookmarks.
Can I
do the
do
bookmarks?
Yeah, with dry leaves.
You can
Sketching.
laminate
Oh.
the leaf and then just
Yeah.
cut out the shape.
Or flowers.
Yeah.
And
Then we
rest-
laminate it so you kind of nice bookmark.
Okay.
But it,
But it's not a one person job.
yeah.
And we need to spend money to laminate it.
And even you want to dry the leaf, times also.
The dry
We need to
leaf.
collect the
You
leaf.
just collect the dry leaf lah, then the dry
Can
leaf.
we
But then
do?
it goes like
You
that.
can iron.
Iron.
You sure you want to iron? I think you just
I
crush.
think we should burn.
burn, crush.
You want to what they call it, recycle paper or something? Using
Using
newspapers. Yeah.
What's the paper for?
I like to do that, but then I mentioned it earlier. I think earlier. And then just
But let's list it down
and then you
as-
say it's a primary school project.
For the,
Chinese.
what's the newspaper for?
Yeah.
Chinese winter.
For
No,
What
you
newspapers?
like to make a recycle.
It's just recycled paper.
You shred the newspaper and then you dip it in water.
or you make a new paper.
Oh,
Oh,
it take a long
yes,
period,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
You want to
And
try. It's
a lot
not a
of
long
work.
period. It's a long process. It's a lot. There's a lot of things.
Lot of procedures.
Procedure to do it.
And you need beads also.
Yeah.
No, he said it's storybook, right? So we just cut out the words inside the newspaper.
Not bad also.
Okay, now we should come to a finalize.
Pictures inside the newspaper.
So
Maybe
this is-
Shadil have more ideas.
Okay. I think we should use the bottle because we are student and we are easy to get the bottles here. I think we should decorate the bottle to be something like decorative pencil case. Then we should cut it to the half and make glue to it to the middle. And I think it will be nice if we decorate with the color paper color something like that. Any fabric like that.
I think instead of gluing it at the middle, it's better if you attach the zipper around it,
yeah.
right? Yeah, that's what you meant, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can.
But then both sides we need zip, right? Both sides.
Just one
Yeah,
side.
so
Because
one
you
side.
just cut on
We
the
just
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the border is open, right? I mean, so you didn't cut at the mouth then?
no, I mean we use the two bottles.
Two bottles.
Oh.
We use the bottoms, right?
Oh, then quite long with the recipes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's quite
I
big.
think that like for the bottom part it can be longer and the
Yeah.
top part is shorter. So because if you only put it in the middle, there's a specific length for the pencils of the pen, so you
on the
can't
normal
open
size
it.
of the pen. So
Mm.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said. Like the bottom part, which is used for containing the pens, is longer, and the top part, which you can
Yeah.
open, is shorter.
So
Otherwise, you open the middle, you can't open it.
basically, we're just discussing
The
The
themes.
Yeah.
Not the word.
Yeah.
So
Check
the
comes with it.
things that I think we all agree on is
Recycle.
Recyclables
Recycle.
and practicality,
practicality.
or decorative use.
Yeah.
Sure.
Both.
Oh, okay, practicality with decorative purposes.
Yeah, just like the one father said just now, the pencil case. We decorate that also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, so,
So we don't use it as a decoration.
We decorate it with maybe not making it so simple. So with some themes.
That we can think of.
Yeah.
Later.
Mhm.
I think that's really nice.
so
No. I haven't any idea.
Any idea for me? I think we should. I agree with Fadil. Use bottles. Where most of us buying water from mineral waters and throwing there
Mm.
inside the rubbish bin. So what if we recycle it back to make our daily use product?
Yeah, it's quite easy to us to obtain the bacteria.
And then I saw one video like that we use the unmelted hanger, the close one, the close hanger, and we can add on some screw, and we can but to screw to hang on something like for the girls the earrings or the bracelet to keep it like systematically lah. But this mainly for girls I think. It's okay. But it's quite useful for girls to keep the things
we have our parents at home also.
Paris.
Right.
Yeah, so we can do it and we bring it home. So they
Okay.
can use it.
For your sister.
I got watch one YouTube video where they do the makeup box.
Makeup
You guys know
box.
makeup box.
But some girls are not going to makeup.
That's
I will guess.
But you cannot exclude girls that make up.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily a makeup box, right?
We can put,
stationery in.
using paper. They make the paper.
Using paper.
It's just
It's a
Hard cover paper.
Oh, okay.
Something for storage, yeah, the theme would be storage.
Storage.
Yeah,
Storage.
the theme should be storage now. Remember the shoe box thing?
Shoebox.
That's quite
But we need
simple.
shoe box.
I mean, Fadil can bring shoe boxes.
I have shoe boxes in my room.
But it's not something that
Right. I also
might
have shoe boxes.
I think everyone have, but we are using it.
Really?
No, I'm not
I'm
using
not using it.
I just wear my shoes like that and come here already.
If we make a lamp
Lamp.
Lamp.
Cover.
Lamp cover.
Then we need to like know the
Do you have a
measurements.
standing lamp?
Yeah.
Like
To display, to actually model it
Yeah.
around. Because you need like the general shape and size.
I know it would be great like a standing lamp and you do some paper cuttings and put it beside, but we need to have a lamp first.
I have an IKEA lamp that we have to clip
Correct.
something.
Then you have that kind of the portable
Oh,
one.
The portable
okay.
lamp.
But I think you already have the lamp cover, so.
Yeah, true.
It's an LED light, is it?
No, it's a lamp.
Like table lamp.
Right.
Table lamp. Nice. Okay.
We go for voting.
Yeah, so I think we all agree that we are going to do recycling.
Yeah,
Yes.
what
Recycle.
Vote.
That's item will be recycled.
Food.
Wood.
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 Food.
Oh,
So
I think I
voting.
list out all the things that
Yeah.
we discussed.
List out all the things.
Maybe talk about what we have discussed.
Just a team.
Just a team. Recycle, decoration, waste material, gifts. I think storage under recycle, right?
Yeah.
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 So just these 4 teams. So should we vote now?
Okay.
I
Sure.
think I agree with what Fadil or Ivan said just now, that we combine decoration and recycle, or gifts and recycle, so that it's not that boring. Okay.
I would go for recycled with decorative stuff as well, because we're, like I said before, we're students and we should be as economical as we can.
Then goes to me, recycle and decorative, since I suggested the storybook.
Okay. So I think most of us.
Go for majority.
What do you
Yeah.
think? Recycle and
So it's recycle and
comment.
decorative.
No comment.
No vending machine, no
Someone's
comment.
No,
gonna
vending machine. Vending machine is the way too hard for us.
It's too
It's
complicated.
okay, I do it myself at home.
Okay.
I heard you have so
All the
many
best.
videos of videos all that.
Later I snap the picture for you.
But it's functioning or not?
Oh, you wait.
Please bring it to university so we can
Like
win the
candy
coin.
from you.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
I'll surely prepare 20 cents for you. Okay?
Okay,
So
You can
that's
make your
all
own money.
for today's discussion.
Okay.